Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this one I will be showing you how you can automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency without even being there. So let's say the crypto markets are moving really fast, or you have your strategy also in TradingView. We're going to be using TradingView. um I'm going to show you how you can automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency even if you are not there, with a bot, so that the bot can capture, the price moves, when it happens, how it happens, as fast as it happens, even when you're asleep. All right. So if that does sound good, stick around and leave a like on this video if you do find these videos helpful. All right. So and this one will be buying or using Pionex. So Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange. You can use cryptocurrency exchanges to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. All right. So in this one, we'll be using my Pionex. This is actually a new account. A client actually asked me to set up. So all right. So we are logging into the exchange. As you can see, got 8 spot ones in my account right now. All right. And if you want to buy on this exchange, so you can go on this exchange, you can buy your cryptocurrencies. All right, all you have to do is go here to spot, put in the amount that you want to buy, move the slider to the amount. You can buy 1,000 mil. All right. So but again, what if you want to do this automatically? What if you want to do it while you're asleep? All right. Price of cryptocurrency, like look at this, it moved really quick. What if you wanted to do this, have your own battery strategy to capture these moves even when you're asleep? Like in the cursor. All right, guys. So this is the bot. All right. And when you set your alert with TradingView, all right, you're gonna get something. It's gonna ask you for webhook, and it's gonna send you some data that looks like this. All right. So just like you would get the notification on the phone, all right, or a little website here, which is just a small thing for now, right? Which will put into TradingView. Like this URL will be like our phone number. All right, and TradingView will send us something that looks like this. um and this will be your notification. You can see here we are getting a new notification actually like every few minutes to either buy or sell. And yeah, and just like that, just like on the phone, we'll tell our bot here, which is in this code, to go buy or sell. All right, so I'm just gonna go through the code here really quickly, as well as some of the tools, so you guys can get a relative understanding of what's happening here. We are using Python, and Python, which is a programming language. All right, and if you do want to learn how to use programming languages like Python and like JavaScript, again, email down below. You can hit me up. All right, so you can see here, this is the place where we'll be receiving our notifications. All right, so real just to go through this real quick, you see here we get our data, which is represented in our request, right? I took out the off token here. You will get an off token in this data as well, which will be your key that you'll see in TradingView. I removed mine for security reasons, obviously. All right, but then you can see we just get our off token. All right, check for it here. All right, now the symbols that you use on that you get from TradingView on Pionex, they're a little bit different. So we do a little bit of exchanging here just to make sure that it's the same. All right, then we create our order, which just needs our symbol, or whether we're buying or selling, right? The type of trade we're doing, and then the amount. Now, guys, this is very important. Sometimes when you try to do this with the exchange, if you're not familiar, you'll sometimes get this error that says size incorrect, or market trade size filtered, or something like this. All right, and that's just because you are not trading an amount that is accepted by the exchange. If you're um typically, this again, it's like the exchange, the amount that it's expecting is different on the UI. So like here we can buy like minimum $1, right? Actually, when we're using the API, it has its own minimums, right? Which you can get here. Leave this URL down below, and you can see here it has its own minimum. So the actual exchange UI is a little bit different. All right, and you have to be aware of that. So you have to be aware of that, or you'll get an error that says size filtered or something like that. It will be something filtered. But yeah, so you have to be aware of that, and it is in USDT, or it is in dollars. So that's another confusion, right? So you have to make sure you put that amount. So again, the API has its own minimum amount, and it's in US dollars. So you just have to be aware of that. It's expecting you to give it a number as a string in US dollars. So, but anyways, enough of that. Right. So we put in all this data, right? And right here, we just go do our request. I request here in our bot, and then yeah, that's it. That at this point in time, it should take care of our buy order, right? So let's see if we can do this real live real quick just for you guys. Um, have it automated. Like I said, I have our notifications going off once every couple of minutes. All right, and these are for tokens I'm not trying to buy right now, because the minimum for them is actually a bit more than or demo testing. Right, so I'm gonna automatically fill this in real quick. Um, automatically fill this in real quick just to kind of show you guys, what is going on here. So, I do that because I know that 5 is the minimum for this particular thing. Again, you can see that on the URL from earlier. All right, then I am going to save our bot like we did, gonna transfer it over to our server, right, which is where our bot lives, right? So this is another computer on the cloud where our bot lives, and that allows our bot to be running all the time. All right, and this is actually our bot. So I'm gonna end it here real quick. I'm gonna start it up again. All right, and as you can see here, we have currently come on, I lost it. We have 0 mu. We only have USDT, right? We have $8. All right. Have to be quick. I forgot. Assets, right? And so you see we have $8 USDT. We have no mu, right? Basically. All right. But when this gets a notification, it should go by or mu. All right. So let's see if, our notification comes through like it would on our phone. It goes to buy, or we get an error, and I have to fix real quick because this is my first test run. All right, guys. But again, some quick reminders: if you do get, errors that could be related to, like, trade filtered or trade size, that could be related to the minimum amount here, um, that you have to be aware of. And in this case, it's represented as $10. All right, so that's different than it is on the actual Pioneer exchange. So it's a quick reminder for you guys. All right, trade parameter area empty size. You'll get this if you got the amount wrong or something. All right, so let's doing that. All right, see here in this case, it's telling me that I don't have enough money because it pinged all the things really quick, and you can actually see that it went and it did go buy or mu. So it pinged our stuff really quick and it did go buy or mu. Here it goes, guys. That's our bot. It's pinging buys and sells all the time because I told my guy to go set it up. But as you can see, there automatically buy. So you could set your strategy to automatically do this, and it will automatically buy or sell. All right. Now yeah, no, I'm gonna like is that before it like spends all my fat $8. But again, guys, if you do like these kinds of video, leave a like, leave a comment. If you do want to have your own bot code, you can email me down below, as well as if you want to learn any of this stuff, you want to learn how the code, want to become a blockchain master, email down below. You can reach out to me and I will set you guys up. But until next time, guys, I will see you, and peace.